Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. And today I'll be teaching you how to activate and set up facial recognition on your Galaxy A16, all versions. First, you need to go into the settings icon here, then scroll down until you find the security and privacy option. Here, then you'll scroll down to the biometrics option. And now you're going to click on the Face ID option, okay? Facial recognition. We click on Continue and then Continue again. If you haven't set up a password on your phone yet, you'll need to set up a type of password. We have PIN, which you can use with just numbers, password, which can use numbers and letters, and pattern. That's the password I'm going to choose here, so you'll enter the one you want and then click Continue. Repeat your password and click the Confirm button. After doing that, you'll need to put your face here inside the frame and move your face in the direction it's showing you. I'm gonna go back now. It won't let me go back, so I'll put my face here inside the frame. And as you can see, we have to move our face in the direction indicated. Where's it pointing? You move your face up, down, to the left, and to the right. Once you do that, your face is already set up. If you want to set up someone else's face, you will click here on this option, and you can set up another person's face. Okay, double clicking. Here you go back, and now we can unlock the phone by swiping on the screen and entering the password we set up. Or you can unlock the phone with your face. When the phone detects your face, it will unlock this padlock, and you can swipe on the screen. If you want the phone to unlock automatically when it detects your face, you need to go into the options here. Again, in the facial recognition options. And here, then, you'll turn off this option. By turning off this option, when the phone detects your face, it will unlock automatically, as you may have noticed. So that's it for today's video. I hope I was able to help. If I did, don't forget to like and leave your comment down below. And if possible, subscribe to the channel for more videos.